The trucks are so important to what we do in motorsports because they're really the unsung heroes. Without these rigs and without their reliability, we can't go race because we have to get this equipment to the racetrack. So having trucks and trailers and having equipment that we know has the performance to leave the shop on time, get to the racetrack on time, that is as important to our success as the race cars themselves.
Whether it be 11,000 horsepower in this top fuel car or traveling thousands of miles across the country, it's very important that we have the best motor oil in both applications. Our same crew members that work on this 11,000 horsepower car drive that truck up and down the road. So the reliability of getting that truck here is super important, not just for the race car, but for our guys. When Leah shows up at an event, she needs to be point focused on her performance, not worried about how the truck's traveled and if we had breakdowns on the way getting here.
Our race car may go 330 plus miles an hour in 3.6 seconds. But the preparation for that starts at the shop, and it starts with our tractors. Our race season is 11 months long, 17 states, 50,000 miles per tractor, and we only go through one engine oil change the entire season. That is the epitome of reliability, durability, and for us, performance.
So we looked at the car haulers, the engine makes and models, and then we came up with a solution that would cut down on the maintenance and let them do one oil change instead of multiple oil changes throughout the race season. We recommended a Mobil Delvac Extreme, low viscosity oil for the haulers. Gives them peace of mind, gives them a fuel economy benefit, as well as letting their technicians do other things than change oil throughout the season.
So from one business owner to another, I can tell you that Mobil Delvac will help your business. It will help you with reliability, it will save you money, and it will save you, most of all, peace of mind to where you can really focus on the aspects of your business that are going to make you money.